If you're running a GoGuardian Teacher session, you may have noticed there's a tab that says Pear Deck. Clicking this button will allow you to start a Pear Deck session right from your GoGuardian session without having to send students a link or have them enter a code. If you'd like to try this, there's a quick setup step you'll need to take care of first. You'll see a button that says Link Account. This will prompt you to link your Google account affiliated with your Pear Deck account. Now what I can do is pull up any of my Pear Deck files directly from GoGuardian without having to launch them separately. So I can search right here in my drive to find the Pear Deck session I want, click, hit select, and then I'll have the option to send it to all of my students. Just in this case, I only have one student, but just one student or a group of students by selecting the checkbox. And I can choose whether or not I want to do it student paced or if I want to do it synchronously. So I'm going to do synchronously for this one. And Pear Deck's going to launch automatically without me having to go into Pear Deck or into my Google Slides. It's also automatically up on my students' screens, meaning I don't need to wait for all of them to click that link or enter that code. I have one student in my class and that one student connected automatically.